Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 70 Dodge Challenger. It's now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth and this cool master input-output box I offer. This has your aux input and all your 4-channel preamp outputs plus an unpowered subwoofer output for use with an external amplifier. And this comes from Ed in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now Ed is a retired police officer, and there is no one in the world I respect more than the guys who go out there and risk their lives every single shift to protect me. That's a job that I could not do for any amount of money, and I would last less than a day on that job. So, okay, let's move on to the radio. I've got it set to the one strong AM station I get in my area, so let's go ahead and turn it on. And we can check our balance control. Okay, balance right, left, right, left.
Trump seems to think that he's got a huge lead. I mean, this is a press conference.
Tone?
He says that it could be a landslide looking at polls. Do you tell him that you need
to back to show. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. So it's trying to pair with a Bluetooth device now, which I don't do all that on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. And if your unit did not have an AM/FM switch, the way we change bands is to turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Cruz has been everywhere during this Olympic.
Concerns get in more
In Cottonwood, Old Town Cottonwood.
Okay, so there's that. Let's try the 8-track. That's a Neil Sedaka here.
Accessible.
Okay, so now to remove the tape, we just pull on the plunger, and it lets you grab a hold of the tape. And this is my temporary plunger. The customer has his already, so this is just a temporary plunger. So everything's working. Let's make sure that the dial light works. Just got to change one connection here to make sure that works. And it do. You can just barely see it. Alrighty, there we go. So she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video after I pack and send this thing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because most, if not all, of your questions will be answered as you're filling out the work order. That's what it was designed for. So please do that, and then once you have a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you, but I do kind of need you to do that research first before taking me off the bench with a 15-minute barrage of questions. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Ed, for your business all the way from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and especially for your service as a police officer, and we'll see you guys next time.